Today is Wednesday, July 10, 2024. It's 4:17 p.m. This is a vlog, and the vlogs are around a 10-minute clip of unscripted recording, and just the purpose is to document, to observe the current present moment and see what comes up, what is like top of mind, and what is this point in time about. So today I'm also going to be using Luminolog for journaling and transcription. So right now this is using Whisper, that's just streaming, and I just implemented this yesterday, and it's not really as good as I would like it to be. It's not as accurate, so because the audio is clipped into 5 seconds clips and then it's combined, transcribed, but I'm going to move it to Deepgram, which will be better. But anyway, I will also whiteboard. I think whiteboarding is good thinking aid. So this is all about like thinking assistance tools like meeting notes and like notes, journaling, and writing. So top three things. One, where are we going with this Luminolog? There are a lot of challenges building an AI consumer app. So the things top of mind is like, now this is kind of going out there, but learnings from TikTok. Learn from TikTok. And this means allowing creators to monetize. Creators monetize creativity. So I am talking about the top 3 things that are top of mind for building Luminolog so that I can survive to play again. Essentially, my focus is on building something that will allow me to keep building. So one of the things is allowing creators to monetize creativity, and then 2 AI tools. AI tools, and the first one is Meeting Notes. Meeting Notes, iOS app, public profile. Public profile is really important. Post on wall is very important. All right, so I'm at the 4-minute mark. And what else is top of mind? So these are 3 things that are top of mind. AI tools, this means a lot of coding. This means learn from TikTok, means what are the strategies for building positive feedback loops and positive habits that are beneficial, like positive, like habits doesn't have to be bad, like habit forming apps, app design. Habit forming app design. And then there are a lot of challenges here, like, but also at the same time, it's like important to have this almost delusional self-belief to build something like TikTok competitor, not competitor, but like something on that scale. Okay, there are hundreds of challenges. There are hundreds of things that can that you have to learn. So it's like battling a giant monster, but it's possible. So 3. So yeah, it's going to require like facing up with this beast of a coding tasks, of a lot of coding, and coding was one. Is this AI tools. This is talking about coding. Coding is key. So this means like putting in a lot of time building and building momentum. And this is really about making this work. And coding is key, but also the third thing top of mind is, yes, I think what is top of mind? What is top of mind is, okay, so I will get a summary going here. So this makes me think of Otter AI, which is a meeting notes app. And this will also like have this meeting notes feature here, and also on the iOS app to transcribe your notes and to also like do research as you're describing, also do research. So pretty much a lot of coding, which is a lot of ideas. But to feed the coding, you also need to be building something that's sustainable, that has a user base that's growing, that's paying for this service, that's that they're finding valuable enough to pay, so that you can get the ball rolling about like getting revenue and putting it back into engineering and into ads. And the thing is here, how to hack that is being very focused, because there's a lot of like tools, but like the thing is you need to focus on having a few that are polished. So that's a challenge right there, because that's a contradiction. You're actually like listing all these AI tools, but also they have to be focused. So how are you going to solve this? Well, there's a couple things. It's talking to customers, which I just kind of had this realization yesterday because I talked to 2 users about this app, and I walked them through it. I watched them use it and try to figure it out, and I saw that it's not as obvious and it's not very clear what how to use this, and it's not okay. It has to be very clear about like what is the purpose of this. And what is the purpose of this? It is a tool for self-development, like having an AI there that responds to your text, to your writing, to your speech, and then the speech is there preserved so that you have all the history that you can then search through. And then 3 is blogging, building in public, and talking to customers. And talking to customers is doing the thing that doesn't scale, and it's doing things that are that may be very uncomfortable, and maybe you feel that it is difficult because you realize what is the gap between the reality and what it would take for somebody to pay for this. And so it's important to be like grounded, and that's the reality, and that's where you're going to make progress by actually like listening to what customers want and are thinking and are needing. And so this is on the polar opposite of the coding, which is key. It's the polar opposite, and you have to do both in order to move forward. And the goal is to survive another day to play again. And how you survive another day to play again is to getting some revenue and getting some traction. And then that gets the snowball effect, that gets the positive feedback loop. So that's already 11 minutes, ended there. I will speed it up to 1.2x, so that will be 10 minutes. So that's it, peace.